It's a perfect crowd. Today, we're making an all-American classic. This fan favorite is inspired by the current POTUS and is sure to be a top hit at your next inauguration party or MMA event. Introducing the Donald Dog. This one ticks all the boxes. It's mostly orange, it's super simple. You can make it using other people's money, and it isn't very good for you. But it's so delicious. That's up next, so stick around.
Okay, let's get our cast iron going on a medium-high heat. And now, just a drizzle of vegetable oil. We're gonna start with your favorite American-style hot dog. I like the all-beef variety. We're gonna take one whole hot dog and about 45%. You want a total of about 145%. I think we've been getting ripped off by hot dogs for decades. I'm gonna start by dividing the hot dogs right down the middle. Lay them face down into the hot pan. Now just push these around a little. It helps to get them to cooperate. Okay, so our hot dogs are cooking, but I've also got some homemade chili cooking in the crock pot. We've got a full episode of our Southern Border chili coming out in the next few weeks. Now the onions. Let's get some nice thin slices. We're gonna be using these raw, so make sure they're as thin as you can and set them aside. I'm gonna give these dogs a flip. Make sure you get a nice crisp surface. These are looking perfect. Next, we're gonna take 2 slices of processed American cheese and fold them in half. Then we're gonna put them straight on the dog. So it's really important to grab some good buns. Ideally, you want about 12 to 14 inches long, but you know, work with what you got. That's what I do. Slice this in half and lay it right on top of the hot dog. You're gonna wanna move fast in this next step. Take 2 ice cubes and drop them into the pan. Now, quickly add the lid on top. This will create the perfect amount of steam to help continue to melt the cheese and steam the buns. Delicious. Look at that.
Perfect, let's get these dressed up. First, I'm gonna build a wall of onions. Make sure to lay them across the whole dog. Now, let's get a scoop of our chili on the other side of our onion wall.
Make sure you don't let any of the beans sneak across the wall.
Here's the kicker, and no one will be expecting this. I'm gonna add a few authentic Canadian Hawkins Cheezies. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This will give us a nice cheesy crunch. Everyone will love it. Now a little squirt of your favorite mustard, an icy cold Diet Coke, and it's go time. Oh my God, this is so good. Those crunchy Canadian cheesies with the chili, oh, amazing. Oh my God, this is so good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Do It with Daryl.